Hello and welcome to this new Kosmik video. So today I want to show you how you can use Kosmik to build mood boards super easily. So in Kosmik we have several nice things. For example, we have a built-in web browser that allows you to clip any content you find on the web super easily. Just click on the capture icon, hover above an item, click, and we save it to the canvas, which is what I did to start that mood board here. We also have a PDF reader, so we can open a PDF, read it directly in Kosmik, and if there is something that kind of, catches our eye, like, I don't know, that picture of an interior design from Joe Colombo, we can click on the capture button, same as on the web, select a part of the page, click on extract, and we save that on the canvas. Now, the beautiful thing is that we always save a link to the origin, whether we clip things from the web or whether we clip them from PDF. So you can always go back to where you found an object and maybe even grab a few other things from that source. We also tag and describe all of the items you have on the canvas. So the PDF has a series of tags, it has a description, same for the image we clipped from that PDF. So recently we've added a bar at the top of the screen in Kosmik, which we call the AI search bar. You can see it here. And you see that anytime you click on an item, we open it and we tell you search with one source or with many sources if you select several items, search with 4 sources. And what that bar can do is help you find inspiration. So here, for example, I can click on that image, click on suggestion, and ask Kosmik to go on the web for me and find related images, images in the same style, images from the same creator, images from the same period with the same color. And here you can see it created a small stack for me. I can drag that here. And I have designs from Joe Colombo. And what's even cooler is that I haven't browsed the web. I just click on that button, Kosmik was on the web for me, and I have sources, and I can get back to all of those items, all of those pages that Kosmik found for me. And from those pages, I can clip and save other items that will enrich my mood board. And what is even cooler is I can say, okay, this is the trend I really want. And I can select those and go ahead. And I can even say to Kosmik, find more like those on Pinterest. I can direct Kosmik to an area of the internet, to a website. Click enter, and we'll see if that works. And so all of this is tagged, all of this is described. I can click here, and we have the source. And we are on Pinterest. Great. So this is how Kosmik can help you get started on a project, get up to speed with your coworkers very easily. You have an idea, you know roughly what you'd like as a style. Here's how you can get to the point in seconds and minutes. What's even cooler is that all of this compounds over time and Kosmik becomes your database. So it's not only a mood board, it's actually a folder, a living folder for your creative work. Just click on an item, click on the tag button, and here you see we have tags. And instantly, Kosmik recognizes all of the items in that image, including that Apple II computer here. And I can click on Im's chair, for example, if I want other Im's chair in my Kosmik. If I want to look if I have other things that match that criteria in that description, I can click on Apple II, and we launch a search within your Kosmik account, within all of your workspaces, and we show you if you have other items that match those criteria. So Kosmik is an infinite collection of your inspiration, what you would have otherwise saved in an awful folder in your Finder with names that corresponds to nothing. So it's both those items that you can just drag and drop, import in Kosmik, and organize very easily. We're going to tag them, we're going to describe them, we're going to help you transform that folder into a living canvas. And it's also a database that is also smart and that can go on the web for you to find videos, website, and anything. Also, you can use the AI search bar without any source. Just click on it and, for example, say I want Apple II ads. And it can search for links, videos, images very easily. And it found Apple II ads. So that's how we think Kosmik can help you completely transform your creative workflow. And I hope to tell you more very soon in another video. Enjoy. Send us an email, comment on Reddit, Discord, Twitter. We're always available, always extremely happy to get your feedback, critiques, ideas, feature requests. Write to us, talk to us, and see you very soon. Have a great day. Bye.